So today I'm going to show you how you can make this very awesome, cool slime. It's very stretchy and squeezable. It doesn't even stick to your hands. And what I like about it is that it makes those nice poking sounds. I'm going to shut up for you to hear it. Okay, so I think that's enough for those sounds. Ow. Well, I'm going to show you how you can make your very own slime with just 3 ingredients. Just 3 ingredients. Very easy, huh? Okay. What you'll be needing, you don't need these ingredients, but you have to have the detergent. You could use any type of detergent, but a detergent. I'm using Elmer's Glue Glue. Tide. Recommended because I don't know what it has that makes it slimy like this, but I'm thinking I'm sorry. Oh, it has borax in it. Okay, there. And then obviously you need something to mix in. I haven't cleaned it because I just wanted to make the video right away. And you need lotion. My lotion is not with me right now, but I'm gonna add it at the end. So let's get started. First thing you're gonna do is add in as much as glue as you want. It doesn't matter, just as much. I don't want that much, so I guess that much is fine to me. Okay. After you pour it in, mix up your consistency. Because it's gonna be goopy, like you need it kind of watery. After that, you get your Tide. Put that to the side real quick, and you pour in as much as you want. But I'm using it's kind of a lot because I wasn't really paying attention, but it's fine. I'm gonna pour some on my spoon, and I'll just kind of mix that in. Oh. Boom, 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 boom. Keep mixing till you get the right consistency, and keep adding in the Tide until you get the right consistency. Alright, so I'm just add a little bit more. Oh, God. Come on. Okay, then after, you're gonna add in glue again. Yeah. If you don't actually have to add in the glue, that is just gonna make it more pokey sound, more pokeable sounds. And yeah, it also makes it kind of more stretchy. So yeah, now mix. It's gonna get more sticky too, like back into the consistency of the sticky phase. I call it the sticky phase. If not, then I guess that's fine. But I kind of want my poke sounds to be more loud. And yeah. There we go. That's what I want. I just want it to like get sticky to the bowl because that just makes it kind of more pokey sounds. I call it pokey sounds because it's more pokeable sounds. After you're done mixing, put it to the side, get it, and start kneading it. Just keep, this is just an easier way I do it. I just like keep throwing it back and forth like a ping pong. Or I call it the burger move, because when you have to like squish out the patty. Oh my goodness. If it's too sticky for you, just put it back in the bowl and keep adding glue and Tide, but add more glue if you want it more pokeable sounds, and if you just want it less sticky, add more Tide. And then at the end, you could add in a lot of lotion. I mean, I don't really need my lotion now because this is stretchy enough. And yeah, what I'm also gonna do is I'm just gonna add it into my other slime. So I just want you guys to see it right now. So yeah, here are both of my slimes. And I'm just gonna mix it in together. Whoop! Too late now. Or it's not too late, because I could just get some both. But I don't want that, so back together. This one's stretchy, but the black one, oh, kind of grayish, is more stretchy. Cause yeah, it's like way more stretchy. So I have like these little white streaks through it, which I didn't want, but at the same time I could. This is like a new one for me, I guess, and I like it. So sorry guys. So please give this a big thumbs up, like and subscribe, and comment down below what color I should. Well, what? Not the color, what I should name it. I think. I don't know. So give me some name suggestions for my black or gray slime. I will pick one, and then in my next video, I will be saying the one I chose. So, so yeah, like and subscribe, and I'm also gonna say I might do a giveaway because I haven't done anything special for you guys. Even though I don't have enough subscribers, I haven't done anything special for you. So I'm gonna do something special. Maybe if I get to 1,000 subscribers, I might do a giveaway. I don't know. For the people who subscribe, I think I'll just pick like 3 people who, yeah, and also turn on my post notifications, and where you could know whenever I make a new video. And my videos are kind of special because they are just, don't know why I even said that, that just makes me. But yeah, like, subscribe, and comment down below what I should name this gray or black slime. So, well,